In this episode, a renowned tech magnate roams rainforests to private airstrips, showing how nature inspires problem-solving for luxury ventures. Viewers see extreme vehicle mods for treacherous terrains, guided by ethics, design, and practical survival instincts. Candid anecdotes reveal how celebrity life meets forest mentors and river strategies shaping daily discipline. Each segment uncovers travel hacks, sustainable budgeting, and nature-rooted lessons that turn wealth into thoughtful exploration. The finale ties travel mysteries to actionable nature skills, offering tips for grand experiences with balance.